Munchies, welcome if you're new. I'm Alyssia, and today is a special episode because once again I have teamed up with Sunsweet for their I Eat Right Because campaign. We all have a reason for eating right. In fact, my reason is consistently evolving as my journey progresses. I eat right so I can provide my body with fuel that it appreciates. If I fuel my system properly, I run more efficiently and effectively, and I feel so much better. Sunsweet Amazing Prunes fit right into that. They are the feel-good fruit and a delicious way to keep our bodies in balance. So today I'm sharing 3 energy ball recipes with you, and they all use prunes. First up are my cookie energy bites. For these babies, I'm making a prune puree, which is super easy to make. I combine Sunsweet Amazing Prunes and water in a food processor and blend until smooth without any chunks. This will last a few weeks in the fridge and is great as a fat substitute in baking, as a spread, or these energy bites. I mix the prune paste with vanilla extract and a pinch of salt, and then add coconut flour a bit at a time until we get a nice thick dough. You'll probably have to scrape down the sides and pulse it up. Roll into balls and refrigerate to store. The coconut flour makes these resemble a cookie in texture and flavor, and the prunes add such a wonderful natural sweetness, and I won't complain about the health benefits too. Next up, I have some fruity oatmeal energy balls. For these babes, I'm using Sunsweet diced prunes. I love these because they're prunes that have already been diced up and are ready to add to anything without prep. For these, I combine rolled oats, walnut butter, you could use any nut butter if you prefer, but I love the flavor of walnut butter in these, diced prunes, chopped walnuts, maple syrup, orange zest, orange juice, cinnamon, ginger, and salt. Mixed together, it should be sticky. Use a cookie scoop to scoop into balls. Make it nice and compact so they hold their shape, and then freeze for an hour. Once firm, you can transfer to the fridge to store, and you're good to go. These taste like a fruit and nut oatmeal on the go. The orange zest really brings out the freshness. So fun. The final recipe I'm sharing today are these chocolate hazelnut energy balls. I roast hazelnuts in the oven, remove the skins, and then blend them in the food processor until crushed. I add Sunsweet Amazing Prunes and coconut oil into the processor and pulse until mixed. Then I add almond butter, cocoa powder, and salt. This mix will be thick. Scoop out your balls and they're ready to enjoy and store in the fridge. A nutritious hazelnut chocolate spread bite, perfect for snacking or a healthy sweet treat. I hope you enjoyed these energy bites. Now I encourage you to participate in the Sunsweet I Eat Right Because campaign. Share your reason for eating right using the hashtag #IEatRight and tag Sunsweet Growers on Instagram or Twitter. All the information on how to enter and what you can win are in the description below. Also, if you want some information on the health benefits of prunes, check out my prunes video I shared last month. Link is in the description. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you on Thursday for a brand new episode. And remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.